Asake, Asake, how many times I call you? Your cup don't full.
So this our brother here, come talk say make we cancel Ashake, make we not listen to his music. He said so many things about Ashake. I have a response for him. I'm going to play that response that I have for him, and then I'll bring back what he said, because if I allow you to hear what he is saying in his video, some of you will not even get to the reply that I gave to his own video. So I'll first of all play my own video, then after I will play that video of him telling us not to listen to Ashake's music. Okay guys, so I saw this video that somebody sent to me, and in that video the person was complaining about Ashake, and they said every Christian should go and watch the Ashake video and that we're going to cancel Ashake. First and foremost, I'm not the kind of person that believes in canceling any human being. No, why should I cancel any human being? If I have my opinion, I'll share my opinion. That's what I have to do. But to spend my time and energy trying to bring somebody down, I don't do that kind of a thing. Now when it comes to Christians, this person that is complaining that Ashake went into a church and he was wearing Roman Catholic priestly regalia, and what is, I mean, and he even said that Gloria did something, the woman that was stoned, that what she did is not up to what Ashake did, and so we should cancel Ashake. No. Let me tell you something. By doing that, you're trying to do exactly what the people that you are accusing of stoning the woman did. Are we going to now be extremists to prove a point? No. Meanwhile, your problem is not people like Ashake. Your problem is the church itself. Is it Ashake that makes pastors sleep with church members? Is it Ashake that makes fake pastors reap their members of their hard-earned income? What are you talking about? Ashake is an artist. He's creating content. If you don't like what he did, go and do your own. Why don't you show by example what Christianity is all about? Why must you wait till somebody creates a content and then you go and destroy it? Oh, you didn't see when he did that song that he did, Lonely at the Top, I'll go do it and I won't do. Didn't you see how that song blessed people? Now that he sang the one, because is it the outfit he's wearing? Is it the outfit that he's wearing that is the Church of Christ? No. It is the Church of Christ, is not the building. Let me tell you something. Here in Canada, so many churches have been converted to buildings, condominiums, and people are living right inside church. Toilet is now sited on top of the altar of the church. What are you going to do about that? Why didn't you save the building? So it is not the building that is the house of God. It is the God lives inside your heart. How about churches that go and do worship, fellowship inside a nightclub or inside a place that they've just used to do something terrible? How about a pastor who goes on a crusade and has to sleep in a church and sleep in a hotel, and inside the same room that you're going to sleep, a prostitute has just slept with another man on the same bed? Are you going to say that they should sanctify the bed and remove the bed? Come on now. Or don't you buy things that, you see, you are actually the people that create problem within the Christendom. Somebody came out with you have to understand his drama. What is he trying to portray? The same Ashake that you're talking about, he did a video with Muslims dancing. He did a video about it. That video, Muslims would have started castigating him. But let me tell you, it is an art form. You have to understand the message he's trying to portray. He said he went with goats. He went with goats inside a church. Why? Because the place was painted white and there's a cross. So once you see cross on a house, it is a church. That's what it means now. Once you see cross, it's a church. It is holy. Don't you know that people commit adultery wearing the cross? People kill people wearing cross. Don't you know? Don't you know they've gone inside church and they kill people? What are you talking about? Is it better for someone to say that they're Christian but they come outside and they're committing sin? They don't love people, they dupe people, they scam people, and it's forgivable? No, I'd rather be with someone who has a clean heart, who does good, even if they're Christian, Muslim, or whatever. Do you understand? That is more beneficial to mankind. Okay, now we have Christian music everywhere. We're dancing Amapiano. Did Amapiano start from the Church of Christ? Did Amapiano start inside the church? Why are we dancing to Amapiano? So you see, it is not the music, it's not the style of music. We are enjoying it. You that you are canceling Ashake, you've listened to all his music. When you're listening to his music, when you're watching his video, you even watch all those girls that are naked in the video. How come you're not complaining? we need to be wise. We need to be careful. Let's not allow these mundane things to take the joy from us. If somebody does good music, find a matured way of sieving through his music, taking what is important to you and dumping the rest. That's what life is all about. You enter the same car as somebody who is not of the same religion with you. You just pay and go. You don't begin to say, oh, let me sanctify, let me rub anointing oil on the seat of this taxi, so that if a pagan pass through here, marine spirit, they will not affect me. They will not take my destiny. No, come on now. It doesn't work that way. So let us not act like the same people we're criticizing. Listen to the music, watch the video. If you don't like it, move on. If you are that good, create your own content and show how the thing is supposed to be done. Don't tell us to. I'm not canceling Asake. In fact, you helped him. The guy is so smart that he got you to promote his album. That's what they just did. You know, they say the children of the world are wiser than the children of God. They are wise. They just made you go and promote that. You made me go and watch the video. And you're making so many Christians watch the video. And the guy is cashing out. He's a smart guy. Okay? So please, my brother, that is telling people, oh, my brother, my sister, let's not do that. Go and produce good content out there. Make money and support everybody that you want to support. The one you cannot support, move on. All right? Okay.
See this rubbish wey you dey do, say you dey sing song. Maybe you first sing song for Nigeria. Maybe you first make money for Nigeria music industry. Maybe you first go do show for abroad. Maybe you first start to dey smoke Igbo. This Igbo wey you dey smoke and this small money wey you don't see, the thing don't enter inside your brain. This is now the second time wey Asake dey mock Christianity. The first time wey Asake mock Christianity na bandana video. When you go inside church, go they sing video, they drag goat for inside church. That was an insult on the Christian body all over Nigeria. Every Christian when they watch this video, tap on the share button. Time don't reach, you go cancel Asake. Yes, time don't reach. Because if you insult your religion, other people go follow you insult them. Asake na Muslim. This thing when you go do now for inside church, if you go do am inside mosque, Asake release music video. Go wear the priestly regalia of Catholic priests. Even carry what they do their communion. They use and they do communion. Can't carry guests when no wear cloth. They even dance for inside church. Can't even carry money. They stone them. They can't they fall. Which kind of insult be that, Asake? Which kind of embarrassment be that? You pass Nigerian government to give everybody freedom of religion, freedom of worship. You go feed drum for inside mosque. If you go wear the jalabia of a man or wear the skull cap, begin go. Why you no do that thing for inside mosque? Why you go they insult Christianity? You define Grammy Award, Abi. Every Christian, when they listen to me, we need to cancel Asake. I'm waiting for the statement from Christian bodies. Yes, the pastors, the GOs, because whether it be Christian, whether na Catholic or whether na Anglican or na Pentecostal, now one name will they try protect. Now this boy called Asake, he don't they bite more than they can chew, and it is very, very, very annoying. Davido will be Christian, will go promote music of Insani. Sometime last year, one of Davido boys go release song when sit down on top of mosque sing. All the Muslim cleric, they cancel Davido. May they no play any. No be Davido get the song go. Now Davido sign get the song go. They cancel Davido. May they no make every Muslim no play the song of Davido again. Now the same thing we need to do now to Asake. Davido had to pull down that song and tender an apology for peace to reign. Is it because Christianity is a lenient religion? This vow, we sabi am too. You know who get monopoly of vow. Asake, you have 24 hours to take down that video and table an apology, a proper apology to Christians all over the world, because you are beginning to mock this religion called Christianity. If you want to use religion, take do your video. Why not use your own religion? Can you use your own religion? Deborah for not where they used to take by that time. What did Deborah do? You reach this one. Why be say people no go use wisdom? Even fella, we get big musicians who don't blow past you. They no do reach this one. Now you first smoke Igbo. Now you first see coins. Now you first see money. Even yoga, Olamide no go do this one. Learn to respect people's religion. Asake, every Christian when they listen to this video, tap on the share button. You need to circulate. This information need to circulate. Because when you no take your religion serious, other people go follow you, mess them up. When you no take your practice serious, other people go follow. Why Asake go do this kind of thing? Share this video. We need to, I'm waiting. Let other Christian leaders begin put my voice inside. We need to cancel Asake music. We need to boycott Asake. Every Christian, no more Asake music. Maybe when body touch them like Nigeria do na Ramale, a mind go touch ground. Wait till you define Grammy. Your song, they get small feel of Angela Kuje because you won't get Grammy. You can't insult religion. We get more than 4 billion people, 4 billion worshippers on planet Earth. What did they do you? Tap on the share button. Asake, now 24 hours you get. If not, you go see part 2.